We've all been there. You sit at your desk, determined to learn something new, maybe a programming language, maybe a tough math concept, or even preparing for an exam. At first, you're motivated, but within minutes, frustration creeps in. You watch one tutorial, then another, then scroll through forums. The explanations feel either too advanced or too basic. And by the time you finally kind of understand it, an hour is gone. Your focus is broken, your energy drained. What if learning didn't feel this way? What if you had a personal tutor, always ready, always patient, always tailored just for you? That's where the idea of a personal AI-powered learning assistant comes in. Chapter 1. Imagine the possibility. Picture this. Instead of drowning in random resources, you simply ask, "Hey, can you explain recursion to me like I'm a beginner?" And your assistant responds instantly. Not in generic textbook language, but in words you understand with real-world examples, diagrams, even code snippets. Then it follows up with a mini quiz, asking you simple questions to check if you truly got it. If you get stuck, it gives hints. If you succeed, it levels up the challenge. It's not just answering questions, it's shaping the way you learn. Chapter 2. Why you need it. Here's the truth. The internet has unlimited knowledge, but unlimited doesn't mean useful. The problem isn't finding information, it's finding the right explanation for you. That's why students spend hours lost in tutorials. That's why self-learners often give up halfway. A personal AI assistant fixes that problem, because it doesn't just teach it, adapts. If you're a visual learner, it uses examples, charts, or analogies. If you're a practical learner, it gives coding exercises or problems. If you're struggling, it slows down and repeats in simpler terms. If you're excelling, it pushes you into advanced territory. It's like having a private tutor without paying thousands. Chapter 3. How it works. So, how do you actually build one? You don't need to be a genius. All you need is the right tools. OpenAI AP is for natural language understanding. LangChain or RAG models to connect your assistant with your personal notes, books, or PDFs. A simple chat interface could be in React.js, or even a Telegram Discord bot. Here's the process. Feed it knowledge. Upload your textbooks, lecture notes, or any study material. Set the personality. Do you want it formal like a professor, or friendly like a study buddy? Add features, flashcards, quizzes, reminders, or even motivational nudges. Test and refine. The more you use it, the better it gets. And suddenly you're not just consuming knowledge, you're interacting with it. Chapter 4. Real-life example, let's say you're learning Python. Normally you'd search Python loops explained and watch a dozen videos. But with your assistant, you just say, "Show me how Python loops work, but explain it like I'm 12, it replies. Okay, imagine you have a basket of apples, and you want to look at each apple one by one. A loop helps you do that automatically. The code, for apple and basket, print apple. After that, it asks you, can you write a loop that counts from 1 to 10? If you fail, it helps. If you succeed, it challenges you. Great, I'll make a loop that prints only even numbers. That's not just learning, that's engagement. Chapter 5, the benefits. So why should you bother building one? Here's what you gain. Save time. No more endless searching through random tutorials. Learn faster. Explanations tailored to your level. Stay motivated. It keeps track of your progress and reminds you to stay consistent. Build confidence. Every step feels like progress, not confusion. Future-proof skills. Not just learning subjects, you relearning how to work with AI itself. This isn't just about coding. It can help with language learning, exam prep, history, science, it's anything you want to master. Chapter 6. The future of learning. Think about it. In the past, people learned from books. Then came schools, teachers, and online courses. Now the future is personalized AI-driven learning. It's not about replacing teachers or classes. It's about enhancing your personal journey. Because no two learners are the same. And for the first time in history, technology can adapt to you instead of you adapting to technology. So here's the question. Do you want to keep learning the old way, random, frustrating, slow? Or do you want to build a personal AI assistant that makes learning smarter, faster, and designed just for you? The tools are here. The possibilities are endless. The best time to start is now. Because when learning becomes personal, success becomes inevitable.